I'm the center of attention.
Yeah, but there's like... Hey guys.
Is it recording?
Excuse me.
Oh my god.
Hold on.
Oh my
god. Hey guys, welcome back. So yet again, back at it again with more content that nobody asked for. This is my friend. This is the. Do you have a stage name? Do you like to not be called your real name?
Diamond with 2 D's at the end.
Oh, this is my friend Diamond with 2 D's at the end.
Emily.
Oh, this is my friend Emily. And
I also answer by Gremlin, Goblin. Hey you.
I think that's about it.
I think that's it.
I feel like it hasn't been that long.
You intimidated me when I first started working with you.
Why?
You were wearing colorful makeup.
I was wearing colorful makeup.
And I also, no offense, when I heard somebody was like, go ask Kyan. I did not think you were white. No white person in Anderson has such an awesome name.
But conveniently, since you were intimidated by my colors, we're gonna do colors on her today. So I'm gonna do her makeup and it's gonna be great. She's gonna continue eating her breakfast.
My boyfriend's a ditz, my cat's a ditz. I'm supposed to be young and ditzy. When's my turn?
So I'm gonna prep your eyes, friendo.
When I was in high school, my upper eyelids were very greasy and I wear gel eyeliner, and at the end of the day, my eyeliner would
all the way
be
up here?
Yeah. And here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And I would wear crazy winged eyeliner.
Oh yeah.
I used to be able to get really like sharp.
You know what we should do? We should do the video where you recreate how you used to do your makeup. That would be exceptional. I would love to recreate how I used to do my makeup. Absurdly bright colors today.
Your lips just go inside.
Come through.
Also, this eye's a little more hooded than this one.
How dare you, first of all.
I can do some country music since you don't know the country music. She thinks my tractor's it. Oh no,
Is that an actual song?
You never heard that? That's a classic country bop.
Ew!
Or my favorite one, I'm an ex-Hooters girl. My favorite one that we would listen to is She's a Corn Star.
Ew! That's disgusting. Why would anyone want that?
She does things at corn stalks that nobody knows.
That's disgusting. So I bought a swimsuit. Welcome back. You guys.
Hello guys.
Welcome back to my channel. Here we're doing
It's
video.
the Emily show. I just spit again. I drool a lot.
That's okay.
Like
it'd be that way sometimes.
It used to be like when I was drawing and stuff in school, I'd look down and I'd have my mouth open because I'd stop talking and it's like, and then just drool would come out. I'm like,
that's so interesting.
you put the eyeshadow on the eye and you make it end dark.
And dark.
And when it's end dark enough, you move on to another color.
And then we do an glitter.
And then an glitter, and then you do an eyeliner. And then you do an eyebrow, just one.
So here we are.
Okay, sorry, I need to get that out. My hair's just like...
This whole video is just gonna be you doing weird things. It's just gonna be you doing weird things and
just
crying.
strap me into the chair. You can call for backup, but it's just gonna be like, I got it.
It's fine. Everything's fine. It's more. Yummy. Anybody watching this video is gonna be like, all of my friends from South Dakota are gonna watch this and are gonna be like, wow, her taste in friends has not changed.
Hey! I thought it was gonna be like, wow.
She really downgrade. Okay.
Alright, Kyle, stop punching the wall. There's been a resurgence in Kyle memes. I really like it.
Freaking Kyle.
What is this? Huh? The robber.
Refer to me as Kyle.
This one.
That's pretty good. I like that. Keep up the good work, you two.
My candy cane look.
I like these.
You saw my candy cane look, didn't you?
Yes. Because that's when that guy's like, is it Halloween in here?
Yeah,
That's when
I
that guy
remember
was
that.
I like that. A grown man in Ulta during the holidays is like, do some of the girls up front know it's not Halloween? It's like Christmas time, and we are supposed to dress festively. And this guy stops me in like the hair care section with his little Chad, his little Chadlet running around behind him. And he's like, do those girls up front know it's not Halloween? I like a girl that's more natural. Like what you're wearing. You're not wearing any makeup. I like that look on women. I'm like, on the contrary, I'm not there. I'm wearing much makeup. I wear much makeup every day, but I am the geriatric unit of makeup.
Yeah, I got a lot of people, especially old men, having problems with my crazy makeup that I did over the holidays. My Halloween looks, everybody had a problem with. Every middle-aged white mom had a problem with it. Every old man had a problem with it. And I'm like, I'm sorry, I have more personality than you do, Karen.
I'm the darling of Ulta. All the old ladies love it.
That's true, all of the old ladies do love you.
I'm cute and precious. Oh, welcome back to my channel. I don't know when it's recording or not, but
when you see the little red recording. Just throwing that out there. Ready?
You gonna teach me how to contour?
Mm-hmm.
It's 1 o'clock. How's it?
Blends aggressively.
Just. Good news is I can still throw gang signs with my injury.
Oh, good. That sounds good. Oh my god.
I licked her.
I can't. Oh my god. I distinctly remember, I know Carol's gonna watch this video. Carol is one of my friends from South Dakota.
Hi, Carol.
I distinctly remember doing Carol's makeup one time. I was doing her eyeshadow. I'm pretty sure it was for Con. I'm pretty sure it was for Sodak. I'm so sorry. I was doing her makeup. And I distinctly remember her doing exactly what you just did to me and then looking at the imaginary camera. I licked her. And then me crying inside.
And
did you do like...
I also did step dance.
Oh, yeah,
like,
I can see that too.
Some of that. I was in 5th grade. I didn't make Taylor Swift look cultured.
All my merch is gonna come from quotes from you.
You should get
some. It's gonna be a t-shirt.
No, you need it needs to be like shorts. Let's say I make Taylor Swift look cultured.
You need to have a thick behind in order to fit all those words.
Hello, it's me.
I'm gonna cry.
It's a 2-point Comic Sans font. Quinn's gonna be our merch model.
I'm just so excited for my merch.
We're gonna get him a tank top that says Kyle and it has like...
When we were in Denver planning the relaunch of my channel and my business stuff.
Denver's not a real place.
Denver is not a real place. All of my friends who live in Denver, you're not real.
The entire middle of the United States, fake news.
That's a fact.
Fake news. The only states that exist, California, Seattle, that's a state.
Okay, all right.
Texas, Louisiana, because I've been there. Florida, because that's where I emerged from a swamp. Georgia, because I've been there.
Okay, yeah.
South Carolina, because that's where it exists right now.
Yeah.
There's a North Carolina, there's West Virginia, there's New York. That's all.
That's it, okay.
That's all the states are. Everything else is complete and utter fake news.
That sounds about right.
Here, like, what is my video gone to?
It didn't start at any specific place. Oof, okay.
And China's also somewhere in the United States.
In the United States, okay.
According to 1st grade me. and current me.
You thought China was in the United States?
I've never seen a map. I grew up in Florida, okay? I went to school in Florida.
Right.
I was set up for failure.
There we go. Here we go.
Back to me, Gino. I'm gonna say that every time. I'm so sorry. I'm annoying. I am self-aware.
I'm gonna do a montage of every time you say welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. I know I'm annoying. I live with myself every day. You should hear the voice up here. She doesn't stop. She doesn't. And I'm
yummy. Okay, I'm gonna blend the orange and then we'll do your eyeliner and then we'll move on. Jesus Christ.
You're like, I just want you out.
No, I just want the orange to be more pigmented.
Have a mirror. Oh!
Is that a good ooh?
You're giving me a mirror. I turned into a parakeet.
I mean, at least you aren't like, oh wow, this is the worst eyeshadow that's ever been done on my face.
I hate it. It's an art gold.
Oh, well.
Welcome back to my channel.
Oh boy. It's been like 20 minutes.
We had technical difficulties
Every
and
single
there
one
are
ever.
only 2 brain cells in the entire apartment right now, and one is residing in me and the other one's residing in Quentin, not the lady in charge. So it wouldn't record and we're like, when do you do it? And I said, is the memory card full? And she goes,
No.
nah, it's not. And then we go out and then she goes up there and he goes, is the memory card full? And she goes, I don't know, let me see. And she started deleting stuff. She goes, memory card full. I'm like,
Good stuff. Good,
anyways,
good
but
stuff.
I have eyeliner.
Eyeliner.
And I've used roller liner from Benefit. Benefit. I'm trying to let it focus. Benefit. But it's recording my hand. My hand's the center of attention now. And then I have used the lollipop liner from Beauty Bakery. And a mirror with fingerprints all over it. Blind you guys.
My mom's been telling me to clean
Look
my
at
mirror
this.
and I clean it every single
Look at
time. Yep.
Exposed.
Exposed, literally.
I'm exposing yourself right now.
Yeah,
Here you go.
thanks.
Don't want no more.
Fix your fallout. And then we'll finally put your makeup on.
I
Do you
don't
need
know what fallout constitutes as.
the stuff that isn't where the eyeshadow should go?
I don't know where eyeshadow goes.
I've upgraded from water to soda. Just healthy girl things.
We love a health and fitness guru.
Are you ready?
You just sprayed my forehead.
Oh, well you kept moving backwards. Stop flinching. There. This is what I used to dry my setting spray. It's the best thing ever.
Now I understand dogs.
Yep. Oh, that's fun.
They're like baby hairs that just go. I'm a
Nice.
furry. I'm not a furry. I do not approve this message.
Alright, I'm gonna finish your lower lash line and then we're gonna do the bronzer video and then we'll come up and finish this one. So that's what we're gonna do.
I look like.
Well, you don't have any eyebrows, so it's just
And like, it looks just real heavy. It's like that
It's
Miley
just-
Cyrus picture. People with blue eyes. Me when the waiter starts bringing out my food.
Ready? Look up.
Oh! Oh!
Are you scared of waterline?
Ah!
We're not even doing your waterline. We're just doing your lower lash line. Just wait till we do your waterline.
Okay.
Ready? It didn't start yet. Okay. So now we're recording with my phone because my G7X doesn't know how to properly camera. So that's what we're doing.
And that's what you missed on Glee.
Yes. We did her lower lash line.
I'm creasing like ain't nobody's business.
Yeah, like creasing a whole ton there, bud. Don't know why.
Air bud.
Do your waterline, then do your eyebrows, and then we will do the bronzer video. So stay tuned for that video there, friends.
Welcome back to the channel.
It's been another half an hour and we're not done with her makeup yet. See that snatched contour? If you like how that contour and bronzer looks, make sure you go check out my other video where I explain to you how to properly do contour and bronzer.
We ramble
so much. So we're gonna finish this makeup and then she's gonna go to work and everybody's gonna be amazed about how beautiful she looks.
I'm gonna take a nap in the pod.
You should, honestly. I'm gonna take a nap. I also need to do, nice. I also need to do, yeah, literally. Look at that highlight though. Yum. Sobs. Right? Right? Okay, folks. We did it. She's glam. It only took 4 hours. There's no reason for it to take 4 hours.
Except I don't know how to behave.
Well,
I also couldn't figure out how to work a camera.
also could not work a camera, so there's that. But get up close, show the camera, show it off. Y'all would probably recognize this look. I did a makeup tutorial for it, which you should absolutely check out. Link in the description. I think she looks great. Now she has to go to work and have everybody ask, why are you wearing so much highlighter?
Try and get a hold of me. I can't wait to annoy everybody today at work.
Because that's what you're gonna be doing all day. Exceptional.
Like, don't I look like a bird? Don't I look like a parakeet? Like a bird of paradise. I'm colorful.
Because she needs to go to work
I need to clean up my mess.
Yeah, and get all of her stuff
Gather
together.
my belongings and then find something to eat and then go to work.
That is true. There we go. So we're gonna leave that there. Make sure you guys like this video if you want to see more of Emily in my videos, and tell us in the comments below what you would like to see us do when we do film together.
Hit that like button. It should look like this. Insert a picture of a like button. Please. Back. Subscribe. Don't unsubscribe. Don't ever. I don't know where the camera is. Don't ever unsubscribe, or else violence in the streets will be real. I'll hold it like this, you know.
Oh, we're real thugging out here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So there's that. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna help her clean up all of her makeup and figure out what's hers and what's mine. And we will see you guys in the next video. See you later.